Hi, this is Jolene by Dolly Parton. Jolene, 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 Jolene. Oh, I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 Jolene. Please don't take him even though you can. Your beauty is beyond compare, with flaming locks of auburn hair and ivory skin and eyes of emerald green. Your smile is like a breath of skin, your skin is soft like summer rain, and I cannot compete with you, Jolene. And I can easily understand how you can easily take my man, but you don't know what he means to me, Jolene. And he talks about you in his sleep. There's nothing I can do to keep from crying when he calls your name, Jolene. Jolene, 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 Jolene. Oh, I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 Jolene. Please don't take him even though you can. I have to have this talk with you. My happiness depends on you. Whatever you decide to do, Jolene. And you could have your choice in men, but I can never love again, 'cause he's the only one for me, Jolene. Jolene.